One of the most frustrating situations is seeing the check engine light suddenly appear on your dashboard without knowing whether it's a minor issue or the beginning of a major repair bill. That's exactly why every driver should consider owning an OBD2 scanner. These compact diagnostic tools plug directly into your vehicle's OBD2 port and provide valuable information about what's happening under the hood. Some models simply read and clear fault codes, while more advanced scanners can monitor live engine data, perform service resets, run active tests, and even access systems like the ABS, transmission, airbags, and battery management. Whether you're a casual driver who wants to avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic, a dedicated DIY enthusiast, or someone who regularly works on multiple vehicles, there's a scanner designed to suit your needs. All product links are provided in the description below. Number 6. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. For many drivers, simplicity is one of the most important features an OBD2 scanner can offer, and that's exactly where the BlueDriver shines. Rather than carrying around a bulky handheld device, you simply plug the compact adapter into your vehicle's OBD2 port, connect it to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and let the app guide you through the diagnostic process. The setup only takes a few minutes, and once connected, you'll have access to far more information than a basic code reader can provide. In addition to reading and clearing engine fault codes, the BlueDriver can access enhanced manufacturer-specific codes for many vehicle brands, display live sensor data, monitor emissions readiness, and generate repair reports that explain what the detected fault codes actually mean. One feature that really sets it apart is the repair reports. Instead of showing cryptic diagnostic codes that require hours of internet research, the app provides likely causes, possible fixes, and information gathered from verified repair databases. For beginners, this makes diagnosing problems much less intimidating. Number 5. TopScan Pro. This is where things begin to move beyond simple code readers and into the world of professional-level diagnostics. Despite being no larger than a traditional Bluetooth adapter, the TopScan Pro delivers an impressive collection of features normally reserved for scanners costing significantly more. Once paired with your smartphone, it performs full system diagnostics on supported vehicles, allowing you to scan much more than just the engine. Depending on the vehicle, you can also access systems such as the transmission, ABS, airbags, steering, body control modules, suspension systems, and more. The scanner also supports bi-directional or active tests, enabling users to command certain vehicle components directly for diagnostic purposes. Whether you're cycling cooling fans, testing fuel pumps, or verifying electronic components, these capabilities can dramatically simplify troubleshooting. Another major advantage is its wide selection of maintenance functions. Oil reset, electronic parking brake service, battery registration, steering angle calibration, throttle relearn, injector coating, and numerous additional service procedures are available for supported vehicles. Number 4. Launch CRP123X V3.0 Elite. Launch has spent years building a reputation for producing diagnostic tools that bridge the gap between consumer scanners and expensive workshop equipment. And the CRP123X V3.0 Elite may be one of its strongest offerings yet. Unlike many entry-level scanners that focus almost entirely on engine diagnostics, this model performs comprehensive scans across multiple major vehicle systems, including the engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS airbags. The large color touchscreen makes navigation straightforward, while AutoVin quickly identifies supported vehicles and speeds up the diagnostic process. One of the biggest improvements over earlier generations is support for newer communication standards such as CAN-FD and DOIP, allowing the scanner to remain compatible with an increasing number of modern vehicles. It also supports FCA Secure Gateway access where applicable, ensuring broader compatibility with recent models. Beyond diagnostics, the scanner includes a growing collection of maintenance functions, including oil reset, electronic parking brake service, battery registration, steering angle reset, and additional service procedures depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Number 3. Autel MaxiCOM MK808S. Autel has become one of the most respected names in automotive diagnostics, and the MK808S demonstrates exactly why. Rather than functioning as a simple scanner, this Android-powered tablet feels much closer to the diagnostic equipment used in professional repair shops. Its large touchscreen interface is responsive and easy to navigate, while the processing speed allows vehicle scans to complete quickly even when accessing multiple control modules. The MK808S performs full system diagnostics across nearly every major electronic system in compatible vehicles, including engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, climate control, body modules, suspension systems, and much more. One of its greatest strengths is the sheer number of maintenance and service functions it supports. Oil service resets, EPB maintenance, battery registration, DPF regeneration, injector coating, steering angle calibration, throttle adaptation, ABS bleeding, and dozens of additional procedures are available depending on the manufacturer. Number 2. Innova CarScan Pro 5610. For those who prefer a dedicated handheld scanner rather than relying on a smartphone or tablet, few options are as complete as the 5610. This scanner combines professional-grade diagnostics with a user-friendly interface that makes even advanced features accessible to less experienced users. It performs all system diagnostics, supports bi-directional testing on compatible vehicles, displays live sensor data, and includes numerous maintenance functions such as battery registration, ABS bleeding, electronic parking brake service, TPMS functions, and steering angle calibration. One of its biggest strengths is integration with the Repair Solutions 2 platform. After scanning your vehicle, the system provides verified repair information, technical service bulletins, probable fixes, and replacement part suggestions, helping users move from diagnosis to repair much more efficiently. The large color display is bright and responsive, and unlike Bluetooth-based scanners, everything is contained within one dedicated device that's always ready whenever you need it. Number 1. OBDeleven 3. Over the past few years, OBDeleven has evolved from a niche diagnostic tool for Volkswagen owners into one of the most powerful consumer diagnostic platforms available. At first glance, it looks remarkably simple. The compact Bluetooth adapter plugs into your vehicle and connects directly to your smartphone through the OBDeleven app. But behind that small device is an incredibly capable diagnostic system. Beyond reading and clearing fault codes, OBDeleven provides comprehensive vehicle health scans, real-time live data monitoring, service resets, long coding, adaptations, module programming, and advanced configuration features that would traditionally require expensive professional equipment. One of its standout features is the one-click apps system, which allows supported vehicles to activate or customize various factory functions with just a few taps. Depending on the vehicle, users can enable convenience features, personalize lighting behavior, adjust comfort settings, and perform service procedures without manually editing complex coding values. That wraps up our list of the best OBD2 scanners of 2026. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which scanner you'd choose. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.